How to draw Snow White, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Snow White, we're going to begin by drawing the hairline towards the top center of the page. Next, we're going to go ahead and draw the outline of the face, including the left ear. And if you are new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot, and I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Fantastic! Now that we have the outline of the face drawn, now let's go ahead and add some detail to the inside of the face. Let's begin by drawing a simple, small line in the left side where the ear is. Then, we'll move towards the inside on the right hand side and draw the eyes. Let's draw a simple curved line with a circle attached to it. The curved line that we draw will be the top portion of the eyelid, then we will draw a circle which will be the outline of the eye. Fantastic! Now let's move a little over to the right, where we will draw the second eye. Keep in mind, the second eye will be very similar in size to the one that we just drew together. Next, right below the two eyes that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw a small nose along with the mouth. The mouth that we draw will be open. Now attached to both of the eyes that we previously drew, let's go ahead and draw 3 small lines to make the eyelashes. Then, right above those eyelashes, we will make 2 small curved lines to make the eyebrows. And if you are enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. So as of right now, we have the face drawn for Snow White. For the next step, we're going to want to go directly above and draw the hair. For the first step, we're going to want to draw a large bow directly above the face that we just drew together. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing completely colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. So as of right now, we have the bow drawn. We're not going to finish drawing the hair just yet, we'll come back to this in a few moments. For the next step, let's go right below the face and let's begin to draw the neck, along with the collar and the torso. Once we're all done drawing this, we'll then go ahead and draw the hair of Snow White. Now attached to what we just drew, let's go ahead and draw the torso. Be sure to pause or rewind the video if I ever go too fast or if you need an additional moment. Next, on the left and right hand side of the torso that we just drew together, let's go ahead and draw the shoulders, beginning right here on the right hand side. So now that we have the torso along with the shoulders drawn, let's go ahead and draw the hair. Keep in mind, the hair will be very large and very poofy. Are you all done drawing the hair of Snow White? If so, let's continue. For the next step, let's draw the arms as well as the hands. The arms and hands that we draw will be relatively simple. Let's begin on the right hand side, right here. Nice! Now let's go over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing. Fantastic! So far this looks great. Now let's go ahead and draw the bottom portion of Snow White's dress. Last but not least, attached to the bottom portion of the dress, let's go ahead and draw the feet. This is how to draw Snow White. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget that in just a few moments, I'll show a picture of my drawing completely colored in. If you want to see more videos just like this in the future, then be sure to hit the subscribe button right below. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.